Hello guys, it's been a while here. Eid Mubarak to you all. I hope you had a wonderful Eid celebration. We actually went on Eid break, that is why we haven't been uploading content here. So we're back for good, Alhamdulillah. So this is me rocking my Eid outfit. I'm sure you can't wait to see what the full video looks like. So do ensure to watch this video to the end, you would see it, and I have a gist for you guys regarding this style. It was made by Kin Fashion Limited, that is my clothing brand. We are located in Kaduna State, Nigeria, and we deliver nationwide, worldwide sef. In this video, you will learn how to cut this abaya. It is for children within the age of 1 to 3 years, depending on the length of the child. This is what the full video looks like, the full style of the abaya. This is one of the collection in that category as well. It is a tie back hijab with a maxi abaya. We have it for sale for those who might want to buy it, and for those who might want to learn, we have tutorials for each of these abaya. This is the flyer for the tutorial displayed on your screen. So I would advise you register for this class if you want to learn how to make this beautiful mini hijab and the abaya, also the beading, everything you will be taught in the video, in the tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to make this, how to cut this gown. And I will advise you watch this tutorial to the end because I made some mistakes while filming, which are the common mistake people make, and I actually explained how you can make correction for such mistake. So do ensure to watch the video to the end and do leave a comment. You people do not like commenting and I'm not happy about that. So please do leave a comment and show love. The tutorial is actually self-explanatory. Even without seeing the sewing tutorial, you'll be able to sew it yourself. To join our channel membership, you can join with the sum of 450 naira as a booty. This will allow you to stand out among other users when you make a comment. And you can also support this channel with 700 naira. Yeah, with 700 naira, this will allow you to have priority reply to your comments and it would allow you to stand out among other users. And for tips and solution, you can actually join the channel membership with 1,500 naira if you have any question or maybe you have an issue while learning and you would like us to make further explanation or explanatory video for you. That will be done with just the sum of 1,500 naira, and all these packages last for just a month. Also, one of the easiest way you can support this channel is by watching the ad displayed on your screen. Please, you guys should support this channel by watching the ads displayed on your screen. Do not skip ads. While we had issue with this channel a few months back, we created another channel and the channel name is You Can Sew. We have a lot of amazing content there. For those who might want to learn fabric beading, we haven't uploaded content there, but it has been scheduled. So all our fabric beading tutorial will be uploaded there. And I will advise you subscribe to the channel. There are lots of amazing content there. We'll teach you how to make bags as well. We have tutorial for like 3 bags already. Inner cap, lots of amazing content, lots of amazing content. All this displayed on your screen will be uploaded on the channel. All you need to do is to subscribe and do leave your bell notification icon on so as to be notified when we upload new content. So see you. We do upload new content on Sundays on that channel. So for this particular tutorial, I'll be making use of this fabric. The fabric is kind of pieces that remained, so it's not straight. But then, please do pay attention well. It's well explained. The tutorial as well is self-explanatory. So one side of the fabric is 27 inches while the other side is 32 inches. But I'm not concerned about that. We are more concerned about the length of the fabric. So I folded the fabric by its length. As you can see, it is on fold, which I have 30 inches. So this 30 inches will be the length of the gown I'm working with. The next thing I did was to fold the fabric as seen, and I folded it by 11 inches. 11 inches. Remember the fabric is on fold. The next thing I did was to take the neck width measurement, which I measured 4.5 inches, while the neck depth I measured 2 inches and connected the measurement. So on the side of the abaya or gown, okay, the neckline measurement is 6 inches. After you connect everything, you should have 6 inches. On the side of the abaya, I measured 5 inches for the armhole. So this is actually where we had issues. I forgot to insert the gown width measurement in the calculation I made. So before we continue, we have lots of amazing content for those who want to learn how to cut and sew abaya, anything modest, hijab, even inner caps. We have tutorial for that in our paid class. So these are some of the tutorials we have made so far. All you need to do is to make your payments for any of these classes you are interested in and send your proof of payment to the number displayed on the flyers. And if you want to read more on the flyers, you can send us a message on our WhatsApp number, which the link to the WhatsApp number is in the description box. You can just send us a message and we'll forward the flyers to you. And if you have any question you would like to ask regarding the class, you can send us a message, please. These are some of the amazing content we have for you in our paid classes. Also, we actually have a clothing brand, and our clothing brand name is Kin Fashion Limited. All these wares displayed on your screen are available for sales. Most of our wares are available based on order. We have even workwear. You can see all these jumpsuits are available for sales. All these are made by us. So to continue, I folded the fabric, I put it forward and measured 12.5 inches. So for the gown width, down here I measured 10 inches. The only measurement we'll be reinserting again is the neckline measurement, which will be done the same way it was done initially. So in case while you're making your abaya, you make this kind of mistake, this is just how to correct it. You don't need to panic as long as you have not cut it out. Please, you guys should ensure to watch the ads displayed on your screen. That is one of the ways you can support this channel without having to even pay a penny. And do leave a comment. I love to see you guys comment. So on the armhole here, I decided to add half inches to the armhole. And if you take notes, on the shoulder here, there will not be need for any seam because the fabric is on fold on the shoulder side. And do ensure to share our videos with your friends and loved ones. You can follow us on TikTok at Kin Fashion Limited. We are also on Instagram at Kin Fashion Limited to see more of our content. And do remember to patronize us. All the content we post here are available for sale. We sell all the amazing content you see here in our ready-to-wear brand. So do ensure to follow us and do share our contact with your friends and loved ones. Remember, we are located in Nigeria and we deliver our goods to people worldwide. So that is all for the body of the abaya. Do remember to watch the ads displayed on your screen. That is one of the ways you can support this channel. And if this is your first time here, do remember to subscribe. Remember, we do upload new content every Saturday. So I decided to notch the center of the neckline as well to make it easier for me while sewing. This is the pieces that remained after I cut out the body of the gown. I'll be keeping it aside. So I have another pieces with me here which I'll be using to cut the cap, the hood and the sleeve. So here I measured 14 inches for the length of the hood. Remember, this abaya is for kids between the age of 1 to 3 years, depending on their gown length. So here, up here on the face circumference, I measured 10 inches. And down here, I measured 10 inches as well. I connected the measurement and cut. Do remember to give this video a thumbs up and do leave a comment. Also, if you are interested in joining our online class, you can send a message to the number displayed on your screen right now, and the link to our WhatsApp contact will be in the comment section as well. And do remember to check out the second channel you can sew. The link to the channel will be in the description box. We have amazing content uploaded there as well. So I cut out the gray line, which will make the hood to become 13 inches. You can still make it 14 inches, it's still okay. The next thing to do now is to cut the hood. Please do take note the fabric is on fold. The first thing I did was to measure the length of the hood, which I measured 14 inches. While the width of the hood, I made it 8.5 inches. And down here, I made it 9 inches because to be curved. And the nature of the fabric I'm working with, that is why I made the up 8 inches and down 9 inches. In case you find anything you do not understand here, you can check the hood hijab tutorial for adults where we made the content for the cutting and the sewing, should in case you do not get something here. The link to the video will be in the description box. So down here, remember the hood is normally curved in the front part, so I just cut out this part to make the curve. The next thing to do now is to cut a band that will be attached to this hood, unlike the adult tutorial. If this is the first video you are seeing, I will advise you watch the adult tutorial, which would actually allow you to broaden your knowledge on how to cut this abaya, because the cutting here is entirely different from how I made the adult tutorial. Which means you can actually cut your hood this way, unlike the other videos we have. So the band I attached here will be the one to house the rope, the hood rope. You can check out the second channel You Can Sew where we have this particular abaya tutorial for children between the age of 5 to 10 years or 5 to 11 years. Both the cutting and the sewing was made in the content. The link to the video will be in the description box, so do ensure to check it out. So here I'm cutting the cap. Do remember to watch the ads displayed on your screen. That is one of the ways you can support this channel. So this is the sleeve. So I have two of it here. The length of the sleeve is 8.2 inches, while the width is 6 inches. The next thing to do is to cut the rope for the hood, which I'll be using this fabric. It is about 3 inches wide. So I'll just fold it into two to cut, to make it longer. Do remember to patronize us, follow us on TikTok, follow us on Instagram. We are also on Twitter as Ken Fashion Limited. And do give this video a thumbs up. See you in our next video.